So today we're making Honey Sriracha Boneless Wings. Hey guys, welcome back. It's Morgan from Morganic Essentials, where we bring together tasty and affordable whole food cooking.
Let's get into it. You want to start with some chicken thighs and cut them up into bite-sized pieces. Then you want to spray with avocado oil so the seasoning sticks. Next, you want to season it up really good with some sea salt, chili powder, ginger powder, onion powder, and garlic powder. Then you want to add a couple of tablespoons of organic all-purpose flour and a couple tablespoons of cornstarch. And that's going to help them crisp up really nice. Next, you're going to pop these in the air fryer and cook for about 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown and crunchy and delicious. While that's working, let's go ahead and make our glaze. So for the sauce, you're going to mince together a few cloves of garlic in a bowl. And then you're going to add a few tablespoons of coconut aminos and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Okay, and then you're going to mix that up. Once the chicken's ready, we're going to drizzle our sriracha, also drizzle our raw honey on top, and then we're going to drizzle our sauce that we made. Now you're going to add some sesame seeds, and then put your top on your bowl and just shake it so that it's nice and evenly coated and covered in the sauce. And then we'll garnish with a nice green scallions on top. From here, we're going to add some red pepper flakes, some extra sesame seed. It's just going to really go well with all of the flavors, and then it's also going to add a nice pretty pop of color. Okay, I'm going to take a piece right out the middle.
It's like sweet and spicy. It's more of this sauce. Yeah. That was so good. Especially with that extra sauce. You dip it in there. It's turned out so good. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Check out our other videos up here or up here. Comment below, like, subscribe, eat well, and be well. I'll see you next time.